Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to check out the Aria Hotel and Casino. The Aria, along with the Vdara, is located in the city center section of the Las Vegas Strip, which used to be half owned by MGM Corporation. Now it's fully owned. They spent $1 gazillion and they own 100% of city center now. However, they did sell off the Aria and the Vdara to Blackstone for bazillions of dollars. But now MGM is leasing the Aria and Vdara from Blackstone for mazillions of dollars. What does all this high finance mean to me and you? Well, absolutely nothing. As far as we're concerned, nothing's changing here. Let's move on. As I mentioned, both the Aria and Vdara are here in City Center, and they're sister hotels. The Vdara is just a hotel. It doesn't have a casino. I've never been in the Vdara. Maybe someday I'll check it out, but really not much to see there, just a hotel lobby. They do share a casino here at the Aria, however. By the way, getting to the Aria from the Las Vegas Strip is a little bit of a walk. You have to walk through City Center, take some escalators, hold on tight, or some elevators. Takes a little while, but then again, most of the hotels on this side of the strip are set back quite far. I got my eye on that fountain. It's usually a lot more amusing than it is right here. Let's just stare at it a little while and see if anything exciting happens. No, nothing exciting today, but let's head inside because now I have to pee. The Aria consists of two curved glass and steel high-rise towers adjoined at the center. It opened on December 16, 2009 as a joint venture between MGM Resorts International and Infinity World Development. And as I mentioned, MGM bought the Infinity World Development's share of City Center, and now MGM is the sole owner. However, they did sell off the Aria and Vdara. Well, I'm not getting into that again. At 4 million square feet and 600 feet in height, it is the largest and tallest structure in City Center. Another feature of the Aria is it has the prettiest and most uncomfortable lobby furniture in the entire world. Way to go, Aria. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This restaurant is Julian Serrano's Tapas, small plates loading guests' palates with delectable interpretations of his native Spanish fare. And coming up straight ahead is the pub, where you can catch a game or enjoy a brunch, enjoy pub classics, and sip on a wide selection of brews and whiskeys. And this here is Catch, the only location to bring epic renditions of Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. I just love taking pictures of this entrance. It's a great photo opportunity. There's a nice bar located right off the lobby here. It's called the lobby bar. Among the most notable aspects of the Aria is its incorporation of technology into the exterior and interior design of the hotel, specifically for the reduction of energy consumption. It is the largest hotel in the world to have earned LEED Gold certification on account of its smart rooms, which automatically adjust curtains, turn off unused lights and electronics, and regulate the temperature when a guest enters or leaves a room. Aria was described by Popular Mechanics as possibly the most technologically advanced hotel ever built. Bringing a Southern California favorite to the Las Vegas Strip, Javier is a Mexican restaurant that's now open in the center of the casino here at the Aria. As we've seen, there's a couple of restaurants down here on the first level, but upstairs is where the real restaurant action is. We'll head up there shortly. This Javier's restaurant is pretty large. Coming up here we have Cartier, and there's lots of other stores here at the Aria, not only downstairs but upstairs as well, and like I said, we'll be heading upstairs shortly. Some of them are high-end shops, others are for, sundries and things like that. They include Aria at Home, Elements, Elena Bolotova Fine Art, Essence, Maceo Paris, Optica, Radiance, Sundries Express, and Tureen, and a couple more. This floral display coming up straight ahead is really beautiful, and it's something I look forward to every time I'm in Vegas just to check it out. It does change seasonally, and it's always very nice to look at. And it's surrounded by a couple of nice restaurants, including this one here, Blossom, which delivers the triumphs of Chinese cuisine. And here we have Lemongrass serving a modern interpretation of Thai cuisine. Lemongrass specializes in a wide variety of authentic fare. And right in the middle of the casino here is the Alibi Ultra Lounge, whose motto is unlimited libations, endless excuses. Alibi Ultra Lounge celebrates the perfect convergence of premium spirits, imaginative ingredients, and highly stylized opulence. And coming up here on the left is the Aria Patisserie. At Aria Patisserie, everything you crave is handcrafted daily with the freshest seasonal ingredients. It's a great place to stop for a nice cup of coffee and a pastry. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Next up on the left here is the lift bar, appropriately named because the elevator banks to the tower are right next to it. And everything in here is purple, the color that inspires many of the signature cocktails featured in this relaxed setting at the edge of Aria's gaming floor. And here we have Din Tai Fung, the go-to dining destination for steamed dumplings and noodles. And we're gonna head upstairs from the hotel lobby here, not to be confused with the front desk, which was at the beginning of this video. Upstairs is more fine dining and a couple more shops in the pool area. Looks like something new's going on down there. Hold on tight. While there's some very nice high-end restaurants up here, the atmosphere is very much more casual than downstairs, and again, that's because this is the pool level as well, so you'll see lots of people in robes and towels and things like that. One of the more frequent questions or comments I get on my videos is, why didn't you visit the pool? And there's a good reason. One is you usually need a room key to visit a pool, go right outside to the pool area. And in many of these cases, like this for example, I am not staying at this hotel, so I don't have a room key, I don't have access to the pool. Where you do see pool reviews is I'm usually staying at that hotel, or the hotel doesn't require you to be a guest. All that being said, I always try to get as close to the pool as possible, and this is a good example. We're going to get as close as possible to the Aria pool. Let's see how close we can get coming up here. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And right around the corner here is the pool, including Liquid, the day club here at Aria, and there's a spa and salon and fitness center up here as well.
Hey, he doesn't have a room key. Get him out of here.
Oh, Lord. We're gonna head down this corridor here to check out some more restaurants, some more upscale restaurants here at the Aria, including a buffet that has yet to open. It seems really quiet up here in this area where the restaurants are, but most of them aren't open for lunch. These are fine dining restaurants, and they're pretty much open only for dinner, with the exception, of course, being this buffet, which, like I said, has yet to open. You can tell this buffet hasn't been open for quite a while. The entrance here has been overrun with vegetation. And that would be the pool area out there. The buffet has a nice view of the pool, as well as Salt and Ivy, another restaurant up here, which we'll take a peek into. These are all photos of the actor Peter Walken. It's kind of like a gallery. I don't get it, but it's kind of cool. Coming up here is the Italian restaurant Carbone, and I usually keep my eyes and ears open to all things Las Vegas for my own self-gratification and for the channel as well. And there was a survey. They asked a lot of Las Vegas chefs if you could eat dinner at a restaurant other than your own, which restaurant would you pick? A majority of the chefs in Las Vegas said they would like to have dinner at Carbone. That says a lot for this place. This is John George's Steakhouse, so much more than steak. If you're craving Kobe A5, arguably the best beef in the world, they have it, but the offerings extend far beyond a simple steak here. And here we have the French restaurant Bardot Brasserie, prepare to be reintroduced to classic French cuisine with a twist only Chef Michael Mina could bring. Three very nice restaurants right here. Tough decision. This coming up is Salt and Ivy. It's a cafe and patio bar that provides casual dining experience with indoor and outdoor seating. What do you know? Someone left the curtains open a little bit. I always thought doors on commercial buildings were supposed to open outward, not inward. People tend to rush out of a building in an emergency, not into one. It's kind of like a fire code thing, but that rule seems to go out the window here. Or should I say out the door. Anyway, that pretty much concludes our visit of the Aria today. Did you ever stay here? Did you ever eat here? Leave comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.